Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Nerf Rival Mod Kit is probably one of the most exciting ways to customize your blaster and dominate the battlefield. These kits offer a fantastic opportunity to upgrade your Nerf Rival blaster, boosting its performance and making it a true force to be reckoned with. Whether you're a seasoned modder or a newcomer, the world of Nerf Rival Mod Kits opens up a whole new dimension of fun and competition, allowing you to tailor your blaster to your exact specifications. Number 5. Nerf Rival Prometheus MXVAI 20K Blaster. This blaster features an advanced acceleration system. It can fire up to 8 rounds per second, giving you a rapid-fire advantage in any battle. Forget about constantly buying batteries. This fully motorized blaster includes a rechargeable NMH battery and a wall charger. It's convenient and ready to go. The blaster has an easy-loading, high-capacity hopper. It can hold up to 200 Nerf Rival rounds, so you can stay in the game longer without reloading. The package comes with 200 high-impact foam rounds. This ensures you have plenty of ammo to start your battles right away. This blaster fires rounds at a velocity of 100 feet per second. You can vanquish opponents with the power and speed of this blaster. The blaster includes a 9.6-volt NMH rechargeable battery. This ensures you have the power you need to dominate the competition. What we like. This blaster boasts an impressive firing rate, launching rounds at an incredible speed. It also comes with a rechargeable battery, saving you money and hassle. If you're looking for a high-performance, rapid-firing blaster with minimal downtime, this is the one for you. What people say. Unmatched rate of fire, nothing else Nerf makes is even close to this rate of fire. Excellent velocity, oftentimes rate of fire takes the place of good power, this baby has both. Includes rechargeable battery, it's proprietary so it only works with this blaster, but still there are no batteries to buy, ever. Number 4. Nerf Modulus Stealth Upgrade Kit. This kit is designed for N-Strike Elite blasters. It enhances the performance of your blaster and allows you to dominate the battlefield. With this upgrade, you'll experience the ultimate in blaster performance. These blasters feature Mega Whistler darts. They scream through the air as they fly towards their target. Get ready for some serious blasting action with this series. With Zombie Strike blasters, you can defend against any zombie invasion. The blasters are designed to help you survive. Grab yours and prepare for the undead. This sports gear glows when thrown, making nighttime play more exciting. It's perfect for playing in the dark. Light up the night with this awesome gear. Raise your game with the Pro Grip Football and Nerf Hoop Basketball set. They are designed for better grip and performance. Improve your skills and have fun. What we like. This kit enhances your blaster with the ultimate performance. It features elite darts and blasters. If you enjoy versatile playstyles and want to customize your blaster, this kit is a great choice. What people say. It is surprisingly easy to use, one-hand operation. This is the best and least expensive of this type of Nerf sight. It's a battery-operated scope that shines a red light on your target. It shows you where your rounds are going to go. The barrel's a bit chunkier than expected but still looks mean on my mediator. The red dot sight is accurate but not when the dot is lined up with the reticle. Aim from the iron sights and keep the red dot low, just above the iron sights and it'll hit your mark. Most of the time, the foldable grip looks sweet too but unfortunately I can't put it on my mediator as the foregrip is also the mechanism used to prime the gun for firing and can't be swapped, but it looks good on my Modulus single-shot pistol and my girlfriend's retaliator. Number 3. Nerf Modulus Long Range Targeting Upgrade Kit. Experience the ultimate in blaster performance with this. It's designed for precision and power, ensuring every shot hits its mark. Get ready to dominate the battlefield with this incredible blaster. These darts are engineered for superior accuracy and range. They fly straight and true, giving you the edge in any Nerf battle. Load up and let them fly. Unleash the power of the Mega Series. This blaster features Mega Whistler darts that scream through the air. Prepare for an epic battle experience. Gear up to defend against a zombie invasion. This blaster is your ultimate weapon against the undead. It's designed for intense action and thrilling gameplay. Ignite the night with Fire Vision sports gear. This gear glows when thrown, adding a whole new dimension to your games. Get ready for some nighttime fun. Elevate your game with the Pro Grip Football and Nerf Hoop Basketball set. It's designed for enhanced grip and performance. Get ready to take your skills to the next level. What we like. This kit is designed for long-range targeting. It enhances your blaster's range and accuracy. If you like to dominate the field with precision shots, this is the perfect upgrade for your blaster. What people say. The barrel and scope are great. The barrel on the inside the lines are swirly, so the barrel increases the accuracy and range of the dart. The scope is pretty accurate and it's really good at lining things up. It's also good for blasters where the barrel is closer to the top of the gun. As for the stand, I do not really have any use for it, but it is a nice feature because it could be used as a grip or stand for the blaster. Number 2. Worker 18 kg Upgrade Spring for Nerf Rival Kronos. This upgrade spring is designed specifically for the Nerf Rival Kronos 18-500. It enhances the blaster's performance, giving it more power. The spring boosts both the shooting range and the ball speed of your Kronos. However, you might need to adjust the blaster's accuracy after installation. Installing this spring requires some skill. It's recommended that you have some experience or watch a tutorial video before you start. Be aware that loading the blaster will be more difficult after the upgrade. Make sure all parts are correctly installed before you put the screws back in. Please note that the Nerf Rival Kronos blaster is not included with this upgrade spring. It's the spring only. What we like. This upgrade spring significantly boosts your blaster's power. It is specifically designed for the Kronos 18-500. If you're a skilled player looking to maximize your blaster's performance, this upgrade will give it the edge. What people say. Works perfect with the ZWQS200S. Draw weight is manageable. Probably not for children. Upgrading the spring does take a lot of work, but it does fit. Expect ranges up to 165 FPS with this spring. Number 1. Worker 14 kg Spring for Nerf Rival Kronos 18-500. This upgrade spring is designed specifically for the Nerf Rival Kronos 18-500. It significantly enhances the shooting range and ball speed. However, you may need to adjust the blaster's accuracy after installation. This spring is only compatible with the Nerf Rival Kronos 18-500. Installing it requires some skill, so consider watching a tutorial video beforehand. Be prepared for a more laborious loading process after the upgrade. With this upgrade, the blaster will deliver increased power. Ensure all parts are correctly installed before securing the screws. Remember, the blaster itself is not included in the package. Before installing, make sure you have the necessary skills or are willing to learn. The upgrade will change how the blaster performs. Always double-check the installation to ensure everything is in place. Once installed, the blaster will be more powerful. It's a great way to improve your game. Enjoy the enhanced performance this upgrade provides. What we like. This upgrade spring enhances your blaster's range and speed. It is compatible with the Kronos 18-500. If you're looking to improve your blaster's performance and are comfortable with a bit of DIY, this is a solid choice. What people say. Works perfect with the ZWQS200S. Draw weight is manageable. Probably not for children. Upgrading the spring does take a lot of work, but it does fit. Expect ranges up to 165 FPS with this spring. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.